Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your storyboards. So it doesn't matter if you have this thumbnail sheet or a storyboard sheet, the process is the same. So let's go ahead and zoom into our first board. I'm just using my trackpad. You can also use the zoom in tool. And then I'm going to go up to my slice tool. So slices. So right click. You might see the crop tool instead. All you need to do is right click and go to slice tool. That'll get you the correct tool. Next, you just click and drag at the corner of your board or the box. Click and drag until you get the whole box. Now we have one slice. I'm going to go ahead and do 3 more, just for an example. So click and drag, got my box 2, click and drag, box 3. Sweet. I want to show actually one more. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. If your boards extend from 4 to 5, or you just have an extended board, you can also do this. You can select and slice all the way over. That is just up to you depending on what type of board you got. Now let's say you make one by accident. I don't want that. You can go to your tool selection over here and then click on Slice Select Tool. It is right underneath the Slice tool. Click on that. Now you can select the box. I'm going to say this one, this blue box, and backspace or delete key to delete it. Or let's say that you did not want to extend it from 4 to 5. You should be able to use this tool and drag it back and fix the box so it's only at 4. So yeah, there's one last step we need to do before we export, and that is to rename the boards. So each blue box that you see, you can double click with the Slice Select tool. Double click the blue box. You should get something like this popping up. Let's rename this box board 1. This one, board 2, board 3, board 4, and so on and so forth. Sweet. Once you're done with that, go up to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. Once you have this up, make sure that your slice selection tool is selected in this corner. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. I can use this to zoom out. I'm going to say Fit in View. And then each box that we made is blue. So I'm going to click on number 1. You can see that the settings over here changed. Make sure that it's PNG 8. So make sure this is PNG 8. And click on each box that is a board. PNG 8, PNG 8, PNG 8. Awesome. Once they're all PNG 8, you're good to go. And then click on Save. Now, I already tested this out before, but I'll show you guys again. Or not again, I'll show you guys. You want to go ahead, go to your desktop, click on a new folder. You want a place to save your boards. I want to call this Animatic Boards. It's already taken, but normally you click on Create. I'm going to go to the boards. I'm going to say Save as Export Boards, or whatever name you have. It's all good. _0. Format images. Settings default. Now this part is important. All the slices that we made are those blue boxes. Make sure that you say all user slices. So it only slices the blue boxes that we made. You don't want all that extra stuff. Then click on Save. And I'm going to replace all the boards that I had before that y'all did not see. So by the end of it, you should have a good amount of boards. Again, I did this beforehand, so I have a few extra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sweet. That's all there is to it. In the next video, I'll show you how to import these into WeVideo, and we can start on the animatic process. So yeah, have fun.